Hello everybody, it's Miss Obermeyer, and today I'd like to show you how you can use your laptop to do the Me, Myself, and I project. So if you don't have a tripod and you're having trouble with leaving your camera, your phone in one spot to photograph the scene, you might try this because it's easier to kind of set it up with your laptop. The laptop will definitely stay in one place, and if you use the self timer you can easily get your 3 shots. So let me show you how it works. All right, so if you go to your laptop and in the search at the bottom you're going to search up camera and you will find the camera app, and you're going to click on the camera app and you will get this screen right here. So over on the left, you're going to see a timer, a little clock. Okay, so you want to click on that clock, and if you click on it a number of times, different numbers will come up. I suggest you use the highest number there is, which is 10 seconds, and you'll set the timer for 10 seconds. And then you're going to use your mouse to push the shutter release button to take the picture. Set yourself up in a spot and start acting your scene like I did here. So I decided I was going to do a music scene where I was playing music, dancing, and singing at the same time. So here is my first shot. Here's my second shot. Here's my third shot. You can have a sense of humor about this. And here they are put all together. To see how to put it together, you would watch the other tutorial that I made previously, where I go through all of those steps in photopea. The one thing here that's a little bit different, you have to be a little more careful where there is overlapping. It's a little harder. I did use some selection tools to get in close, or in some cases I used a hard edge brush and I kind of went back and forth between white and black as far, and tried to get them to line up perfectly. So I did another one at school and it looked like this. Okay, so it makes it really easy to keep the camera in one spot. The quality is a little bit less than if you use your phone, so if you can use your phone, I suggest you do, but if you're having trouble, this will work. Good luck. Thanks.